Steph here from the Financial Sunrise team, and today is a very important day. It's only 25 hours until Cheltenham officially starts. Guys, Cheltenham is here, right? So today I want to talk to you about a very, very good horse. A horse that, I especially really like. His name is Hurricane Fly. It's trained by Willie Mullins. And I'm going to show you a replay of last year when he was up against Rock on Ruby, Zarkanda. I'm going to show you how he just lengthens away, right? This year, he's up against the new one, which is Nigel Tristan Davis trains him. And he's up against My Tent or Yours, which is trained by Nicky Henderson. I have great respect for Nicky Henderson, a great trainer, So, without further, just give me a second and I'll explain a little bit more about why this race is so important. This race is so important really because this horse, the Hurricane Fly, is supposed to be, the new superstar. If he wins this race this time round, right? He's going to be going down in, record books, Willie Mullins has big respect for him and, Ruby's going to be on board, they really want this horse to win. But he has that big challenger, that big English Raider, the new one. He's definitely a force to be reckoned with. And of course, you have My Tent or Yours. So I'm going to show you a clip from the champion hurdle last year. And we're going to have a look at Hurricane Fly and we're going to see what he can do, okay? All right, let's go.
6 or 7 lengths.
So as you can see, Hurricane Fly is in the blue. It's got Rock on Ruby there. Zarkanda's there. Country Ridey playing. Now watch when he turns. Watch the length and how he just leaves them behind. Up that Cheltenham Hill, guys. And that Cheltenham Hill is serious. Like, just look at him now. Look how Ruby just gives him a tap. Come on, let's go. Let's win this race. And here we go, he just clears away, he just wants to win, you can just see him, he's a great little horse, fantastic little horse, and he's there, and look at the other ones, they're not closing or anything, and you see he's just, driven out to the line, just to make sure Ruby's keeping up to his job, like, just to make sure he wins his race. And you can see all the fans, how excited they are. It's a big race, guys. The champion hurdle definitely is something to be reckoned with. So that brings me on to basically our team is giving away a £50 free bet. Now, guys, I'm going to explain you how you can enter yourself to be in a chance to win this £50 free bet, right? Under this link, under this video, there's a link. Or if you look on Facebook, above this video, there's a link. There's a link somewhere. Look for it, right? Click on the link, okay? Then that will take you to a presentation. I want you to watch the presentation, right? Very carefully. It's about the entertainment industry and how you can profit from the entertainment industry, right? So if you don't know what I mean about that, go over, click the link, watch the presentation. Guys, I'm very excited about this company. It's making people very wealthy. People that do work now, you have to share with your friends, share with the world, promote it, and you can earn, if you go to the highest level, you can actually earn from any bet that's placed. Now, hear me again, you can actually earn a commission from any bet that's placed in the online casino. Think about that, right? Think about that. We're not selling ebooks here. We're not selling, educational courses. They're fine and all, they have their place. But this really, it really is for the wide audience, the world. Millions and millions of people are interested in this kind of thing, right? Otherwise, Las Vegas wouldn't exist, okay? So without further ado, if you're a bit short on cash, time's a bit hard, check out this video, right? Click the link either below or above. You'll find it. Go and watch the presentation. Choose your package. And then what I want you to do is call us, right? There's a team of us. We're going to help you. We're going to get you started. We're going to show you exactly what to do. You call us, right? You get on the phone and you call us. Get on the blower and phone us, right? That's what we do. We're here to help you because if you become successful, we become more successful, right? So just to reiterate that, you're going to earn on every bet that's placed. if you're at a certain level, of course. And you know, it's really, really exciting, guys. So I'm sure you can see the camera's a bit waving or whatever, but I'm sure you can see my excitement here. So without further ado, check that out. You know, watch out for this Hurricane Fly. But I do think he's got a new container, the new one. You know, Nigel Twiston-Davies, he's bringing him over. Well, he's over in England. Hurricane Fly is going over. You know, Nigel wants to win this race, you know. So, yeah. Check all that out, guys, and I'm sure, you know, you're going to find it very interesting. And with that said, have a great day. We're going to bring you more videos tomorrow from Cheltenham. There's loads of excitement. So, yeah, have fun now and have a great day. Bye.